Today, we are talking about gratitude journals. You might have heard of them before, but if you are like me, you might be thinking, what's the big deal? Why do I need to write down what I'm thankful for every day? But the truth is, a gratitude journal can be a total game changer. It can help you shift your focus from what's lacking in life to what you already have, and that can be incredibly powerful. I think we can all agree that life can be tough sometimes. Negativity can creep in and steal our joy, making it hard to appreciate the good things. We might find ourselves stuck in a rut, constantly focused on what's going wrong, and before we know it, we're feeling unhappy, unfulfilled, and just plain stuck. We might even start to feel like we're not good enough, like we're not just doing life right. And that's a pretty terrible feeling. It's easy to get caught up in the daily grind and lose sight of what really matters. We get busy, stressed, and overwhelmed, and before we know, we are taking things for granted. We start to focus on what we don't have, what we wish we had, or what we think we need, rather than appreciating what's already right in front of us. And let's be real, social media does not help. We are constantly bombarded with perfect snapshots of other people's lives, making it easy to feel like we are not measuring up. It's easy to get sucked into the comparison game, wondering why can't we be more like them or have what they have. But the truth is, nobody posts about their bad days, their struggles, or their fears. Nobody shares their doubts, their weaknesses, or their failures, at least not often. So, what's the solution? How can we break free from this cycle of negativity and start focusing on the good stuff? That's where gratitude journaling comes in. It's a simple yet powerful tool that can help you shift your focus, calm your mind, and appreciate the beauty in your life. That is what we will be doing today, gratitude journaling. Welcome to the channel Elevate with Shachi Seth. Hi, I am Shachi Seth, writer, entrepreneur, life coach, and your dear friend. When we take the time to focus on what we are grateful for, it can have a profound impact on our well being. Studies have shown that gratitude journaling can increase happiness, improve sleep, and even reduce stress and anxiety. It can also help us develop a more positive mindset, making us more resilient in the face of challenges. Let us understand the benefits of gratitude practice through journaling. Journaling about gratitude isn't just about writing, it rewires your brain for positivity, happiness, and abundance. Let's explore the major benefits of practicing gratitude through journaling. 1. Rewires the brain for positivity. When you consistently write about things you're grateful for, your brain starts focusing more on the good in life rather than problems. This is backed by neuroscience. Regular gratitude practice strengthens the neural pathways for optimism and happiness. For example, instead of waking up and thinking, oh no, another long day, your brain will naturally shift to, I'm grateful for a fresh start today. 2. Boosts happiness and emotional well being. Gratitude journaling increases dopamine and serotonin, the happiness chemicals. It helps you feel content with what you have instead of constantly changing what's missing. Writing about the small joys, a warm cup of tea, a kind word, a sunset, makes you appreciate life more and reduces the need for external validation. 3. Reduces stress and anxiety. When you focus on what's going right, your brain gets a break from overthinking and stress. Studies show that gratitude journaling lowers cortisol, the stress hormones, making you feel calmer. Instead of stressing about a bad day at work, writing, I'm grateful for a supportive colleague who made me smile, shifts your focus to something positive. 4. Improve sleep quality. Ending the day with gratitude journaling helps you sleep peacefully by clearing negative thoughts. It shifts your focus from worries to positive moments, relaxing your mind before bed. Before sleeping, writing, I am grateful for a loving family and a safe home, brings comfort and relaxation. 5. Strengthens relationship. When you express gratitude for people in your life, your relationships improve naturally. A study found that people who write and share gratitude build deeper connections with family, friends, and colleagues. Writing I'm grateful for my friend's support today makes you more likely to appreciate and cherish that person. 6. Increases mental resilience. Gratitude journaling helps you find positives even in tough times. It builds a growth mindset, making challenges seem like opportunities rather than setbacks. So instead of thinking, why did this happen to me? Gratitude journaling helps you frame it as, I'm grateful for the lesson this challenge taught me today. 7. Helps in manifestation and law of attraction. Gratitude raises your vibrational frequency, attracting more abundance, love, and opportunities into your life. When you appreciate what you have, you send a message to the universe that you are ready for more. For example, writing I'm grateful for the money I have shifts your mindset from lack to abundance, attracting more wealth. 8. Improves self awareness and personal growth. Journaling allows you to reflect on your thoughts, emotions, and progress over time. You become more mindful, self aware, and intentional about life. For example, reading past entries help you see how much you have grown emotionally, mentally, and spiritually. Gratitude journaling isn't just a habit, it's a life changing practice that shifts your entire mindset. Start small, stay consistent, and watch how your happiness, mindset, and life transform. So, how do you start a gratitude journal? It's easy. All you need is a notebook and a pen. Take a few minutes each day to write down 3 to 5 things that you're thankful for. It can be as simple as good cup of coffee, a beautiful sunrise, or a supportive friend. The key is to be consistent and make it a habit. Let us understand deeply how to start writing a gratitude journal. 1. Choose a journal. You can use a physical notebook, a diary, or a digital app like Notion, Evernote, or a journaling app. A dedicated notebook helps build a habit and keeps everything in one place. 2. Set a fixed time. Choose a time that works best for you. Morning gratitude sets a positive tone for the day. Night gratitude helps you reflect the end of the day peacefully. Writing at the same time daily makes it a routine. 3. Keep it simple. You don't need long essays, just 3 to 5 things that you're grateful for daily. For example, I'm grateful for the laughter I shared with my friend today. 4. Be specific. Avoid generic statements like I'm grateful for my family. Instead, write I'm grateful for my mom's warm hug today because it made me feel safe and loved. The more specific you are, the more you will feel the gratitude. 5. Use prompts. If you don't know what to write, use these gratitude prompts. What made me smile today? What's something beautiful I noticed today? Who made a positive impact on my day? What is something I usually take for granted but appreciate today? 6. Express feelings. Instead of just listing things, describe how they made you feel. For example, I'm grateful for the cozy blanket that kept me warm. It made me feel safe and comforted. Instead of writing, I'm grateful for my blanket, which lacks depth. 7. Be consistent. Even if you don't feel like it, write something small every day. Your mindset will shift over time and gratitude will become natural. Also, to ease it out, here are a few points to consider while writing a gratitude journal. 1. Personalize it. Your journal is for you, so write what truly matters to you. For example, if you love nature, write about the sunset, fresh air, or birds singing, rather than something society expects you to be grateful for. 2. Focus on the present. Appreciate what's happening now. Instead of I had a great childhood, write I'm grateful for the kind stranger who held the door open for me today. 3. Include challenges. This reflects the fact that even though situations can teach us something, I'm grateful for the struggle I faced at work today because it made me realize my strength. This is a very good example. 4. Write freely. There is no right way to write a journal. Write what feels natural to you. Don't worry about spelling, grammar, structure. Just let your thoughts flow. 5. Celebrate progress. Read your past entries to see how your mindset has changed. This helps you to see how far you have come in your gratitude journey. To simplify the process, I've also have sets of do's and don'ts of writing a gratitude journal. Let's get started real quick. Do's: be consistent. Make it a daily or weekly habit for best results. 2. Be detailed. The more specific your gratitude, the more powerful it becomes. For example, I am grateful for the way my best friend listened to me patiently today when I needed support. Instead of writing, I am grateful for my best friend. That would be too vague. 3. Include emotions. Write why you feel grateful and how it affects you emotionally. 4. Appreciate small things. Gratitude isn't about just big events like promotions or vacations. Be grateful for hot coffee, fresh air, a kind smile, or a good song. 5. Reread past entries. Whenever you feel low, read old entries to remind yourself of life's beauty. Let's switch to the don'ts. 1. Don't repeat the same things daily. If you write, I'm grateful for my family every day, it loses meaning. Instead, write why you are grateful for them today. 2. Don't force it. If you cannot think of something, simply write, I'm grateful for a new day and the chance to try again. 3. Don't compare yourself to others. Very important. Your gratitude journal is personal, no competition there. 4. Don't just list things. Write why you are grateful. Instead of I'm grateful for my job, write I'm grateful for my job because it allows me to learn new skills and meet interesting people. 5. Don't rush. Take 3 to 5 minutes to truly reflect. Quality over quantity. One meaningful entry is better than 5 rushed ones. A gratitude journal helps shift your mindset towards positivity, abundance, and joy. Start small, be consistent, and watch how your life transforms. Would you like daily gratitude journal prompts or a template to make it easier? Then check the download link in the description below. I have to share with you, I've been using gratitude journal for a while and it has been life changing for me. There was a time when I was going through a real tough period and I was feeling lost and uncertain. I started using a gratitude journal and it helped me focus on the good things in my life, even when everything else felt dark. It reminded me that I wasn't alone and that I had so much to be thankful for. I have to share this with you. One day I wrote down that I was grateful for the warm bed to sleep in, a good meal to eat, and a supportive partner who was there for me. It might seem like small things, but in that moment they were everything. They reminded me that even in the darkest of times, there is always something to be grateful for. So if you are feeling stuck, unhappy, or unfulfilled, I want to encourage you to give gratitude journaling a try. It's not a magic fix, but it can be a powerful tool to help you shift your focus and start appreciating the good things in your life. In short, a gratitude journal can help you develop a more positive mindset, increase happiness, and improve your overall well being. It's a simple yet powerful tool that can help you kickstart your day and set yourself up for success. So, what are your thoughts on gratitude journaling? Have you ever tried it before? Share your experiences in the comment box below. And if you want to learn more about enhancing your mental well being, subscribe to my channel. Remember the thumbs up icon if you enjoyed watching the video. Click it real fast. Also, there is a bell icon that will notify you every time I post, so click that one real quick too.